What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So a couple weeks ago I did a video on a great accessory for your Tesla Model Y. It was a sunshade made by Vicseed. Now a lot of people have asked me if they have one for the Model 3, and they sure do. So they actually sent me one, so I'm going to pull over and I'm going to actually show you how easy and quick it is to install. As you can see, the sun is out, I'm feeling the heat out here, so it definitely helps out, especially for road trips. If you didn't watch the video for the Tesla Model Y, I'm going to leave the link right here. Check that out. And I'm also going to leave all the product description links below. So let me pull over and let's install this. Let's go. Comes with two covers. One's the rear, one's the front. As you see the label right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the clips and you're just gonna put it up on the glass. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the front shade. What you're gonna do is line it up, make sure the label's facing up. Just drive the clip right here and just slide it in. So now we just gotta put the sides, make sure that's secured. Do this side right here. Voila, the front shade is done. All right, so now I'm in the back of the Model 3. I'm going to put the rear shade up. So the front, you just need 4 clips, but in the rear, you're just going to need 3 clips. One here in the middle and one on each side. Make sure the label, again, is facing up before you install. I want to make sure it's fit right here. I got my clips. All right, so I got all 3 clips in place. As you notice, the rear shade pretty much just covers up to this last headrest right here. So you still have some glass that's exposed in the back, but no one's sitting in the back. So it covers just about to where the person in the rear will be sitting. So as you can see, that was a quick and easy install. It took about 5 minutes. There goes the front shade. And there goes the rear. This is a great product. A lot of people ask me if this sags, and it actually doesn't. It holds up fairly well. So that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you go on Vicseed.com. They have other products as well. I'll leave their link in the description below. Make sure to like and share with all your friends. Tell them to tell a friend. And I'll catch you on another video. You know I'm on go mode. Peace.